Hello, everybody. My name is Benjamin Dare. I'm a sales engineer here at Rondos. Today, I'm here to talk to you about another great use case where Power Connect sends data to Elastic and how the summary data that we provide there will make your troubleshooting more efficient. So today, we're going to look at the infamous ST06. This is where we go to look at operating system data. And today, I'm just going to focus specifically on file systems. The only thing I can deduct from looking at this thing is that, the Germans, when they wrote this software, they really like their Excels. For those of us in the US, those are Excel files because in Germany they pronounce them as Excels. I only know this from my time working at SAP. So this is like a history of file systems, like their capacity. And like this is how we're expected to be able to look at things like trending information for when these things are going to fill up and be able to predict so that we can order more storage. I don't know what's happening. But yeah, this is the information that we're given. So this is where the power of Power Connect comes in. We really take your SAP stuff to the next level. So we take this data, send it to Elastic, and now we get, the basic information that we see here for things like what the current usage is. But then we also have the ability with this graph over time to look at trending information so that we can really tell if there's any kind of growth. We can do predictive analytics based on the ML and AI that comes with Elastic to be able to predict when we're going to need to add storage. And this is really helpful for customers that are still on-prem that have to rely on purchasing and planning and budgeting for those kind of hardware resources, or even if you're in the cloud, right? The people that are responsible for the money, they want to know what their budget's going to look like, and for the next year, they do that kind of planning. And a lot of times, the basis admins are responsible for calculating growth and giving an estimate of when resources are going to need to increase. So, already we can use this information for things like creating alerts if we're trending to run out of space so that we're not caught off guard when it happens. And then also, like I said, being able to look at that information historically for trending information for resource allocation. Just one small use case. We have literally thousands of them, anything you can dream of. If you found this useful and think that you would like this kind of visibility into ST06 at your site, give us a call and let us do a demo for you. Have a great one.